Live from Milan FinTech Summit 2023 here in Milan at Allianz MiCo. 2 days of working to talk about the world of FinTech. In this moment, we are with Andrea Tessera, who is Chief Innovation Officer at Sella. Thank you for being with us, Andrea.
Very nice. Thank you.
So, Andrea, today we want to understand or better understand how a company like yours can approach the world of innovation and mostly the innovative things like that you were talking before as custody, for example. What does it mean to approach the innovation for you?
Yes. We have Sella as innovative DNA. So if you want to, Sella is a mix of a really high attention to customer. So it's very customer centric company. On the other hand, you have the being at the edge of innovation. So that's the mix of the two. So it's kind of for easy for us. It's natural, let's say, for us because we have in our DNA we have innovation to approach the innovation. So the way we do it, we work in an open innovation framework. So what we do, even though we have a very strong team inside, we open ourselves and we work with hundreds of fintech individuals, and we try to get the best out of it. Working with fintech, for example, it gives us the advantage to be able to work with people that are completely focused on what they do, and secondly, is a sort of like give and take. So we give our experience, which is as a regulated company we have in our also in our DNA, and we get their energy, their passion, their verticality on every subject. We do it also with custody. So custody has been there for 100 of years as a concept, but when we approach new technology, what we do is we follow this path. So, for example, in one of our companies that you know, probably Hype, we work with a fintech that enable Hype to offer a wallet to their customers. In this way, we learn because you can only learn when you really touch the market. Okay. And we're doing a more structural now. We are working on a more structural solution for the bank as well, and we do it in this open innovation. On the other end, it's very important to say that we have created a competence center inside the company. It's a multidisciplinary team that is able to tackle all the aspects. So regulatory aspect, very important, but also tech aspects. We have expert on payments. We have an expert on project management. We took them from the market. We assembled together. We have created a competence center, DLT and digital assets.
But according to you as innovation officer, what are the main assets to consider or that you consider when you approach innovation? What is the most important things to pay attention, and what are the most important things on which invest, for example, in terms of innovation?
Yeah, it's a work of balance. You don't need to have a magic wand there, but you need to have a balance in whatever you do. So what normally I get is a lot of hype as well, things that are hyping at the moment, or things that maybe are starting. So the ability, not mine, the ability of the team, it's basically identify what actually can have a real use case in the next year. We need to be able to be ready in the moment we want to hit the market, not before, not after that. So I think that's the secret, not so secret recipe.
It's also a very important skill to analyze the market, make a scenario, and understand what is coming. And in terms of this, according to your point of view, what will be the next trend that you want to approach, you want to follow, we can say, to create innovation?
It's going to be definitely is unavoidable artificial intelligence. It's been there again for a lot of years, but now it became really pop due to ChatGPT and OpenAI, and we are able now to integrate it in a lot of our processes and products. So I think not for only for us, but for everybody, will be definitely AI, which it doesn't have to be confused with the statistic, which is or machine learning. But AI, I think AI will be key.
And we hope this, obviously, because the artificial intelligence and new technologies in general help a lot to grow in the market and also under a social point of view. So
Definitely.
thank you for being with us today.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.